Hey guys, it's Jeff. Today's video is going to be on a product that's been out for a little while now, so I just want to throw a quick video together. This one's going to be on the PSA Dagger 9mm. Check it out. Alright guys, thanks for checking out this video, but before I get started, I gotta do the obligatory ask for support. I know it's getting pretty repetitive across all the social media pages, but it really does help. So if you can, and if you would, please give me a like and a subscribe. It really does assist with the algorithm, but it also lets the oligarchs at YouTube know that this kind of content is important to you, that you do appreciate it, but it also motivates me to continue to make this kind of content. Also, if you're on Rumble, please throw me a like and subscribe over there too. It really is appreciated. So with that, we're going to get into the content for this video. So what is this? What is this gun? So you've probably seen it. You may have seen it. You may not have seen it. If you're new to it and you're just trying to figure out what it is and if it's worth your time, I'm going to cover a couple of things on it that I think are important to cover, and then you can make up your own mind if you think it's something you want to explore for yourself. So first things first, this is built off of the Gen 3 Glock 19. Now, Glock 19 was a very popular double stack 9mm. It was 15 rounds plus one. So you can see the magazines for this thing, 15 rounds plus one. Hopefully you can see that. Making it a very interesting gun for people who were getting into concealed carry. It was kind of on that upward trend where concealed carry laws were being loosened across the United States. The Glock 19 was very popular when it came to a concealed carry double stack 9mm that was very capable and had a lot of interesting availability across larger frame guns that people were carrying for duty, like law enforcement. So the Glock series of pistols became very popular, and the 19 became extremely popular for the concealed carry market. Now, who is this gun for? Well, it's going to be for somebody who it probably lives in two camps. They're either new to guns and they're looking for a budget-minded gun that will give them a lot of capabilities moving forward, or somebody who's been in the Glock ecosystem and is looking for something that they want to build upon for something like either a custom gun or a race gun or something along those lines. And I think the Palmetto State Armory Dagger gives you options for both. So first I'm going to start with the new to the platform concealed carrier, looking for a gun that you want to build upon as your confidence and your experience in the concealed carry world grows. So what you're getting here is you're getting a good base 9mm double stack concealed carry gun that comes in a lot of different configurations, but gives you a lot of configuration options when it comes to your ability to upgrade over time, or to change, or to modify, or to configure in a way that you want to configure it. So what are you getting? Well, you're getting a polymer lower, double stack, very ergonomic, easy to grip, easy to hold. It's similar to the Gen 3 Glock in a lot of aspects. Not everything is interchangeable, but from what I've heard or from what I've been able to find out, most things are. So it's a ergonomic Gen 3 Glock, similar to the Gen 3 Glock, with some improvements in some areas, and in some areas I think it's just pretty standard. Now, I don't know all the interchangeability with this gun yet. I don't own a Glock 19. I've never owned a Glock in my entire life. So this is my first foray into the Glock ecosystem. So moving around the gun, you have some cutouts here for the magazine in case you need to strip the magazines out, but the magazines drop free pretty easily. These are some aftermarket KCI mags. I'll have links for these in the description below. But if you have Glock magazines laying around, your Glock magazines will work just fine. I have not found any problem with this. You've also got the basic takedown lever for the Glock 19. Comes apart just like any Glock does. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now, in my particular case, you can do several different things based off of what kind of gun you're looking to build or what kind of gun you're looking to buy. So if you're that new person who wants to get into firearms, doesn't have a lot of money, you can start small. You can pick up a polymer lower with a triggered assembly, and this is a serialized part, so you will have to go through an FFL, but you can pick this up for under $100. Again, link in the description. These are a high value option when it comes to starting your firearms endeavor in the Glock 19 platform. So then you can pick, well, what kind of slide do I want? What kind of barrel do I want? Do I want an optics cut? Do I want high-rise sights on it? Am I gonna get a threaded barrel because I want to do a suppressor at some point? Do I want to do an optic and I want to have a co-witness sights? These are all options that you can get on the PSA Dagger slide, and it comes in this kind of packaging. Very basic, very simple, but this gets shipped directly to your home. So you don't have to go through an FFL for this piece. So if you are concerned about price, you're concerned about your budget, a $99 lower, and picking the slide of choice as your budget allows you to do a lot of different things. You can just go with a basic strip down slide like this, add a barrel and guide rod spring later on if you so choose. You can get it from PSA, you can get it from somewhere else, you can get it from the used market, you can get it from the aftermarket. However you want to do it, there's a lot of flexibility when it comes to building a Glock 19 platform gun, as long as you have something to build off of. Again, Gen 3 Glock triggers will work, so you can get this without a trigger at all if you want. You can get a strip slide that's a serialized part. You can get it a complete gun. You can get just about anything you want, anything you can dream up. PSA has an option for you. If you've been in the Glock world and you're looking for something to use as kind of a platform to build something more custom, you know, with a nice trigger or you know, something along those lines, but you don't like the blockiness of the Glock 19 grip angle, this is very ergonomic. The grip texture on here is not too aggressive, and you would be hard pressed to pick something like this up from another manufacturer already pre-configured. 99 bucks, guys, 99 bucks. Anyway, so I do want to point out real quick, this is a older Glock, so the Glock 19 has been around for a long time. They're in the Gen 5s now. But one thing that this gun is not, let me just throw this back together real quick. One thing this gun is not is it is not a replacement for some of these micro double stack 9s that are coming out. And to give you a comparison, I don't have a Glock 43X, but I do have the Smith & Wesson Shield Plus. Now, this is a great little pistol. I like this gun a lot, but as you can see, this is quite a bit smaller. And you can kind of make it out there, hopefully. It's quite a bit thinner. And what are you getting with the Shield Plus? Well, you're getting, in the extended magazine, there you go, you're getting 13 plus 1. So you're getting 14 rounds. In comparison to the Glock 19, you're getting 15 plus 1. So you're only getting 3 more rounds, and you're getting a very, very fat gun. So if that's something that concerns you, maybe look at the PSA Dagger that's coming out. It's the micro dagger. I've done a video for that, and you'll be able to find that up here. But that's a new offering that's coming out from PSA, and it's in the micro 9 double stack configuration. Also, they're coming out with a full size Glock 17 configuration, if that's something that's of interest to you as well. So take a look at that if that's something you want to see. Check my channel. I'll have videos on that. So anyway, that's it, guys. A great platform to build upon if this is something you're looking to build upon for a Glock 19, or you want to get into the Glock ecosystem because you want to use it for maybe a PCC, a pistol caliber carbine, and you want to have magazines that cross both platforms in a pistol and in a carbine. This is a great option to get into that sphere, that world of the Glock aftermarket. So with that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Stay safe, stay vigilant, stay active, stay in the fight, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.